Question which is correct about notochord? Answer dorsally situated mesodermal in organ rod like. Next question, the female gymnospatic are retained on the parent sporophyte in. Answer heterosporosis species of petrodiphytes. Next question, the body of dash is unsegmented with a distinct head, muscular foot and visceral mass. Answer devilfish. Next question, amphibian belong to superclass. Answer tetrapoda. Next question, marine algae used as a food are. Answer laminaria, sporogams, porphyria. Next question, a soft is spongy layer of skin form a dash over the visceral hump. Answer a dash cavity containing dash like gills. C, the anterior head region has sensory. Give all four flags blanks. Answer first blank mental, second blank mental and third blank feather and fourth tentacles. Question, protonema is. Answer helipod and is found in mosses. Next question, animals with soft body, bilateral symmetry, trypoplastic and unsegmented, usually protected by a cell made up of calcium carbonate, belongs to phylum dash mollusca. Next question, male gamete is small and motile and female gamete is large and immotile in. Answer focus. Next question, notochord is derived from which layer? Answer mesoderm. Next question, megaspore germinated into. Answer female gymophyte. Next question, the mouth which has file like recipe organism for feeding called radula is found in. Answer mollusca. Next question, the giant redwood tree is an. Answer gymnosperm. Next question, 50% CO2 flexion on earth is carried out by. Answer algae. Question, the embryo sac of an angiosperm is made up of. Answer 7 cell and 8 nuclei. Next question, which is a accumulate? Answer platyhelminths. Next question, heterospores petrodophytes are. Answer Selaginella and Salvinia. Next question, which belongs to arthropods? Answer prepets and curb. B, prawn and scorpion. And C, centipede and cockroach. Next question, in which diploid number of a flowering plant is 36? What would be the chromosome number in its endosperm? Answer 54. Next question, algae possessing both isozymy and anisozymy. Answer slide. Answer calamidomonas. Next question, metameric segmentans is found in. Answer annelida. Next question, heterospores plants are. Answer plants producing large and small spores. Question, spore formation in algae occur during. Answer asexual reproduction. Next question, jagat of petrodophyte. Answer produce multicellular sporophyte. Next question, plants of this group are diploid as well and well adapted to extreme conditions. They grow bearing sporogyles in compact structures called cones. The group is in reference is gymnosperm. Next question, a scalaments are. Answer pseudoclosmate. Next question, majority of petrodophyte are. Answer homosperm and produce only one kind of spores. Second, restricted to narrow geographical zone because of a specific requirement of water. Next question, isozymy is seen in. Answer Chlamydomonas spirogyra. Next question, spore formation in algae occur during. Answer asexual reproduction.